Greetings! I'm very happy with my pencils from Candies. I really like them, I've been using them, and when they offered to send me a new set to try out, I was really excited to get my hands on these. Now, what's special about these is that they're meant to be heavy-duty, sturdy, mechanical pencils. The set itself is quite interesting. So you get 3 erasers that seem to be the same as the erasers in the previous set. Then you get 2 little tubs of replacement erasers and a replacement cap. You get a tube of yellow and red lead in 1.3 millimeters. So you can see 1.3 millimeters, 120 millimeter length, 12 pieces, 2 colors. You also get 3 tubes of replacement leads, but in graphite. It says dark 2B on it. Now, 2B is one of my favorite hardness or softness of lead, so I'm very happy with this. And then the set comes with 3 identical pencils. These are really heavy. I think they are probably all metal again. I'm definitely sure that the tip and the body is metal. The cap, I wonder if a magnet might help me check this out. So the clip is magnetic, but the body is not. It is quite a thick lead, and this pencil, again, I tried taking it apart. So you can remove the end, the eraser, and then I was able to remove the tip, but nothing else. So I tried to take other parts of the pencil apart, but I really was not able to, and I didn't extensively force it, but everything seems to be really quite well attached together for this pencil. The only bit of plastic is the tube inside of it, as far as I can see. Since there is 3 of them, one I left with the lead that came with it, and the other 2 I put some of the colored leads in there. Now it's worth noting that the leads are quite long, so here the bits that you see that poke out, I cannot retract them any further in the pencil. The full lead occupies the whole pencil. So until you wear it down a bit, you cannot fully push the lead back in. Not an issue really, you could break the leads just about midway and use half a lead if you want something that you can fully retract. The first one I have here is the red lead. Then I'll try with the yellow one. It's going to be harder to see. And then the lead that came with the pencil, which is a 2B lead. So obviously you can tell right away that the graphite lead is really nice and soft. It is surprisingly creamy. The red and the yellow one are much drier and they don't glide as well on the paper. I have a strip of black cardstock here just to see if these leads show up well on a black background. The red doesn't really show that well, so it's a fairly transparent lead. The yellow shows a bit more, but again, it's fairly transparent. So I think these are just a bit dry or drier, while the 2B lead is excessively soft. I'm gonna try to erase all 3 of them to see how the eraser deals with them. I guess the 3 of them are somewhat erasable. The graphite one erases better, but it's so soft and creamy that you still have a bit of an imprint on there. The yellow is hard to see, so it's kind of hard to tell if it has erased properly or not. The red has erased significantly, but not completely. What I thought in my head when I saw this set was that it would be really interesting to have these 2 pens with the colored leads in them, because you can do some color sketches or have a first rough pass in the color and then refine with the stronger graphite. But also, what really called to me with these pencils is the fact that they are meant to be rough and tough. And I would love to keep one in my travel kit to see how it copes with being carried around and possibly bumped and dinged and, like roughened up, drop it on the ground while you're drawing or something like that. So, since these are nice, heavy, sturdy, I think they might make a really good addition to your plein air sketching kit. So, that's my plan with these. Again, I'll try to use them for a bit and I'll try to do an update video eventually, but I really like them. They have a really nice weight. Speaking of weight, let's go the full distance with these. I have this tiny scale here that I use to weigh paints and pigments, and let's see. So that's 25.4 grams for this pencil. Let's compare that weight with that of a ubiquitous big pencil. We've all seen and used these. So this one weighs about 5.5 grams. So that's about a 20 grams difference between the two. Basically, this one weighs about 5 of these, if I'm doing my maths right. So I will be putting one of these in my travel kit, and I will make an update video after a bit of use. But to sum it up, they have a nice finish and a nice weight, and they look good. I love the erasers, I love all the refills. I think this is going to be a really fun set for me to try, and I'm looking forward to doing that. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for Candies for sending me these, and see ya all in the next one. Bye bye.